Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are back in Baia del Carpino, one of my favorite places to film because it's just so pretty here. And we are looking at this gorgeous villa here that is really just steps from the sea. Now, as you know, Baia del Carpino has private beaches, and we're in the lower part of the village. Earlier we were up in the upper part. And down here, you can actually walk to the sea very, very easily. So we're gonna look at this beautiful villa, and I'm gonna show you exactly where it's located. There's tons of parking here. This place has a garden. It's gonna be really, really nice. Check it out, you guys. Okay, this is down here close to what is called Casa Albergo. It used to be a hotel. Now it's broken up into little apartments, so there's plenty of parking down here. Coming in the front gate here, and I wanna show you this beautiful garden. Look at it. It's just so pretty. There's all kinds of plants and flowers here, and you've got this beautiful bower that goes over the top here, so you have a nice shaded area in summer when it's hot, and there's a nice breeze that comes through. I just love all the plants and flowers. They really did a beautiful job with the gardening. Of course, it's a little overgrown because we're just coming out of the winter and into the spring and summer, but the roses are just exploding back there. Let's go take a look. This is a really cool place. Now, if you notice, there's all kinds of little accents made to look like little rugs on the floor. And it's a very Amalfi thing to do things like that. The bright colors, the blues, the teals, the sea colors. It's all done up like that. You've got a little service bathroom down here. Oh, I love this living room. Very beautiful. And you have a little, it could be used as storage. There's a bed in here. You could put an overflow guest here, but it's really not big enough for that. Could be a little studio for somebody. Lots of options. Now let's go downstairs. I want to show you some really pretty things down here. This room is set up so beautifully, little blue accents, and I love this. It's not a rug. It's actually tile. And it looks like a rug, which I love because you don't have to clean a rug, which is something that I really appreciate here. Now here's the kitchen area. There is the table that they usually have outside, so it's in here, taking up space. But you can see that the kitchen itself is really pretty. And it's pretty good sized. You have definitely enough room to really cook a nice meal in here. And you have this really cool blue terrace, which I think is quite amazing. It's right outside the kitchen. It's open. It's not glassed in. It's open, so you get a beautiful breeze through here. And you're looking out on those gorgeous roses out back. It really is a special feature. What I love about this place, there's so much outdoor space that's usable. You've got also this little patio here, which connects with the front. Then you come around and you've got an outdoor shower over here and a storage area. Very nice. Over there is the gate, and if you go out, you walk down a little stairway, and you're at the beach. Look at these roses. Look at these flowers. I just love this whole garden so much. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, we're going back through the living area. Kitchen, soggiorno, pranzo, outdoor. And we're going to go up the stairs. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs. On your left, you have a nice-sized bedroom. Oh, it's so charming in here. The walls are textured. I don't know if you can see, but there's texturing on the walls. It gives it sort of that old-timey feel. Very charming, very, very traditional. I just love it so much. I can see that there's an air conditioning unit up there, which is very nice to have in summer. You've got windows that open out onto the gardens. So pretty. Let's have a look. And look, more flowers. Beautiful. This is a nice, comfortable, airy room. Lots of space in here. And again, those gorgeous blue tiles. Very Amalfi. Now, pretty tiles on the wall. And you need a little cleanup here because it's been closed up for a bit, so you need to clean the place or have it cleaned. We have people. The brick on the toilet, that is to make sure that no mice come up through the pipes and things like that. You see that a lot in vacation homes. They want to make sure there's no breaches of mouse security. Ooh, I'm loving that painting. Gosh darn, look at that painting. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube. It's a naked lady, but it's gorgeous. I actually really like that painting. I'll probably cut that part out because I don't know about YouTube's nudity policy or whatever. Anyway, it's pretty. Okay, this is a nice big room here. Beautiful room. And look. Here's your upstairs. Oh, wow. This terrace is really, really big. And from up here, look at your view. I mean, you are right on the sea here. That is our gorgeous Tyrrhenian Sea. You can almost see the Praia Mare. We are almost to Praia Mare, actually. This is just stunning. Okay, guys, well, if you want almost a beachfront property with gorgeous gardens, beautiful views, lovely interiors, this is the one for you. We'll see you soon, guys.